With our IQ tester open in SOLIDWORKS, the first thing we're going to want to do is go to Settings, Document Properties, Units, and change to inches. If not, this may pose problems later when transferring to Mastercam. Now we're going to go up to Tools and see if we have our Mastercam Direct tool. If not, you will scroll down to Add-ins and then scroll to the bottom of Add-ins and find Mastercam Direct. Check off both boxes, including the Startup box. This makes sure the button is there upon startup of SOLIDWORKS. Now we're going to go back to this tool, Mastercam, to open up Mastercam. You want to ensure that Create Edge Curves is checked, and then click the green arrow. This will open Mastercam. You want to close SOLIDWORKS to speed up this process. Now that Mastercam is open, we click Cancel on the pop-up window. We're going to right-click on our screen and click Fit. We should see our IQ tester on the screen. Now to add our router, we go to Machine, Router, and check for the router we used listed. If it is not there, we'll go to Manage List and add our router and confirm by clicking the green arrow. Now we're going to add our router by clicking on it. This will create a new machine group 2. We are going to want to delete machine group 1 by simply clicking and clicking delete on our keyboard. Now under machine group 2, we will select stock setup to let Mastercam know what stock we are working with. We will select the cubed icon and then create a window around our stock. We will confirm this by hitting End Selection, and our stock will be selected. Now we confirm our dimensions match up with what we drew in SOLIDWORKS. Everything looks good, and now we will click the green arrow to confirm. The next thing we will be doing will be adding a toolpath for the smaller holes. We'll select the drill toolpath, and this window will automatically pop up. We can go down to Mask on Arc and select one of our circles, ensuring we select the top rim so that we do not drill through our stock. We create a window around all the small holes, and it will select them for us. Now we must select a drill path order. When doing this, you want to select the most efficient drill path that will create the least amount of time on the CNC. For this one, we will select a zigzag that will go from the bottom right to the top. We confirm by clicking the green arrow. After clicking the green arrow, our parameters window will open up. First, we'll go to select our tool. We go to Tool Library and find our desired bit. For this drill path, we will need a 1/8 straight bit, number 144. We click the green arrow to confirm and double confirm below where it says tool name. Now we check our holder to ensure everything looks correct. We will skip over a couple things here, and we will go to our linking parameters where we make the next change. We want our depth set at -0.375. It must be negative because our Z starts at 0, and we want our drill to go through our stock and not drill the air. This will be the last parameter we must set, but we can click through the rest of the parameters to have a look to see what they may mean. But they will have nothing to do with this specific toolpath. Now to confirm this toolpath, we will click the green arrow, and we will verify our work. At the top, there is a clipboard with a green arrow to verify. It will open a new window. Once this window is open, you will see your stock on the page. and you want to right click and select fit. You can adjust the speed of the video by using the bar on the bottom right corner. We'll now click play and confirm our holes have not gone through the bottom of our stock. Everything looks good. The holes did not go through the bottom, and we can get out of this. Now we must create a toolpath for our larger hole. It will not be a drill, it will be a pocket. First, we must select the upper rim of the hole and ensure that the arrow points in a clockwise direction. You can flip it with the green/red arrow. Now our parameters window is open. We must look at the tool we will be using for this pocket. We want to use a larger bit since it is a bigger hole. We are going to use a 1/4 inch straight bit. Confirm the selection with the green arrow. And double check below in the tool name box. Now we will move to cut parameters. Ensuring stock to leave on the walls is set at 0. Under roughing, we select true spiral to determine the direction the bit moves when cutting the material. We turn entry motion off. Finishing, we want to select machine finish passes only at final depth and deselect the box below it. Lead in, lead out, we turn off. Now we will go to our depth cuts. Here we want to check the box on and set our maximum rough steps to half the diameter of our drill bit, which is 0.125. Now under linking parameters, we want to check off all the absolute boxes. Absolute will pocket to the selected depth, while incremental will do that in increments. We also want to change our depth to negative 0.5. Remember our negative because our Z is at 0. Our negative will ensure we are drilling and pocketing into the stock. And we confirm with the green check mark. Now we must verify the work we have done. Clicking the verify tool, using the slider to adjust the speed, and clicking play, we will see our pocket be made. We inspect to make sure it looks good and exit the page. Now we are ready for our final toolpath, a contour. Selecting contour and then selecting the outer edge of your material, ensuring that green arrow is clockwise. Then click the green arrow and our parameters will pop up. First, we must select our tool, our 1/4 inch straight bit, and we will go jump to depth cuts and set our depth cuts on and to half the bit size. Now we go to lead in, lead out. We want to leave this on. Next, we will go to tabs, turn these on, select position, and we will select where we want our tabs. Try to set them diagonal to one another and confirm by clicking enter. We want to turn on vertical and we must set our tab thickness to 0.125. Now we move to linking parameters, turn on absolutes again, and we will set our depth to negative 0.8. This will cut all the way through our stock, leaving us with our IQ tester piece only attached to the tabs. Now we must verify our contour is correct by using the verify tool. Zooming out to see your full stock and clicking play. Looking to see if our tabs showed up. Everything looks good. Now to double check, we will select all toolpaths and we will use our verify tool again. Now it will work through all toolpaths created rather than individually. It quickly walks you through your cuts and everything is looking good. No holes in the bottom. Now we can exit out of this page. Now our final steps is to generate G-codes. We will have to create 2 different G-codes for the 3 toolpaths. We want to select our G-codes, select the green arrow, click No, and create a file name for your G-code. This will be the 1/8 of an inch straight drill bit. So this will be our small holes being drilled. You want to make sure you use a file name that is identified by the size of the drill bit. These G-codes will be later used in the CNC program to carve our piece out. So once you've created a file name, Mastercam Code Expert will begin to repair. Once our window pops up, our G-code is displayed. We just want to confirm that it's the bit, the 1/8 of an inch, and now we will go and create our G-codes for our contour and our pocket. So once again, just click the green arrow that pops up. This is asking us if we want to continue. We select no under that one, and then we create a file name that is identifiable by the drill bit size. So for this one, we used a 1/4 of an inch bit for our pocket and contour. We're going to hit save. And once again, our G-codes will pop up. And now we just want to confirm our bit on our G-codes. Thank you for watching.